Maganda ating lahat. Lalong-lalo na ako sa pamilya. Nagkabatalan ka ako.
Basahin ko lang po yung message ni Kapitan Joy. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat ulit. We are gathered here tonight with heavy hearts, but deep sense of gratitude for a life exceptionally lived. Ngayon, we honor Geronimo Concebido Alnas, or as we fondly call him, Kaimo. Kaimo, you knew a man of peace, a man of wisdom, and a man who simply showed up for his community. Kaimo was the literal bridge between conflict and resolution, being a member of the Lupon Tagapamayapa. Sa totoo lang, hindi madali ang trabaho sa Lupon. You deal with heated arguments, neighborhood disputes, and heavy emotions. Pero si Kaimo, he had this unique gift. He didn't just listen to the words being said, he listened to the heart of the matter. He was patient. Habang tumataas ang boses ng iba, doon siya lalong kumapulna. He was fair. Wala siyang pinipilingan kundi ang tama at ang makabubuti sa lahat. He was also a healer. He believed that no bridge was too big to be rebuilt. Dahil sa kanya, maraming pamilya ang nagkabate at maraming magkakapitbahay ang nananatiling magkaibigan. He taught us that peace is not just the absence of war, but the presence of understanding. Apart from the legalities of the Lupon Tagapamayapa, Kaimo found another family in the Prime Movers group. He acted as an advisor. He was the North Star for this group of elders. He proved to everyone that age is just a number, but wisdom is a treasure. Sa Prime Movers, he wasn't just giving advice on how to run an organization. He was giving advice on how to live a life with dignity. Tuwing may meeting, his voice was the one they looked forward to. He encouraged the group to stay active, to keep dreaming, and to never feel like they were past their prime. Para sa kanya, being a prime mover meant exactly that. Moving forward, no matter the age. He inspired his peers to lead with grace and to mentor the younger generation with kindness. Ang kanyang legacy, if we are to summarize Kaimo's life in one word, it would be service. Hindi siya yung tipo na naghahanap ng palakpak o parangal. He worked in the quiet corners of our barangay. He served because it was in his DNA. He was the kind of person who made you feel safe just by being in the room. To the family of Kaimo, thank you for sharing him with us. We know that the time he spent settling disputes was the time away from you. And for that, the community is eternally grateful. Your loss is our loss. Kaimo, your seat in the Lupon may be empty, and the prime movers will surely miss your guidance. But your lessons remain. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God. This verse perfectly captures who Kaimo was. As we say our final goodbye, let's not just mourn his passing. Let's honor him by being prime movers in our own lives, by choosing peace over pride and service over self. Salamat, Kaimo. Paalam at hanggang sa muli. You have fought the good fight. You have finished the race. Magpahinga ka na sa piling ng may kapal. Cheers and bottoms up, Kaibo!
Maraming salamat. This point, we invite the family to please receive the picture of Kaibo na nakalagay po ito sa kwarto ng ipagdala. Also, on behalf of the Barangay Council of Veterans Village, mamarapatin po at tatanggapin po ni Girlie Maka. Siya po ay ina-appoint namin kapalit po kahit mo. Supon taga-pamayapa. Hindi natanggap po ninyo at mamarapatin po. Your appointment will be confirmed sa next section po namin. Again, to the family of Kaimo, salamat po sa pagpapahinang ninyo siya sa amin. We will surely miss him. We will surely miss his wits, his wisdom. At hindi ko po nakakalimutan. Pag may nagkukwentuhan po kami at nagbibigay po siya ng opinion na sinasabi sa akin, maniwala ka sa akin. Yan ho ang lagi niyang sinasabi na dapat paniwalaan ko siya palagi. At yun po ay nire-respeto ko po. Alam mo, panalangin mo din kami sa taas na nawa ay ang pagsiservisyo po namin ay wagas sa aming puso at hindi ka po namin makakalimutan. Maraming salamat po.
Dapat mag-aaral.
Ay ang ating former SK chairperson ng Barangay Veterans Village at ang kanya pong apo, si Jelly, ay isa rin pong SK chairperson ng Barangay Veterans Village. Servisyo po ang bigay sa atin ng pamilya Almas. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po. We thank you for the message of the barangay, his second home. And thank you po for accepting him in your life. Thank you po.